If you find yourself overeating, stress eating, emotional eating, the single most thing that you could do to help you to stop it is to regulate your nervous system. Because overeating, turning to food, binge eating is an attempt to regulate the nervous system. So the stress that's in your body is dysregulating your nervous system. Taking nervous system regulation seriously is what's necessary in order to be at peace with food. So rather than trying to exert more willpower or go on a stronger diet, what you need to do is take time every day to calm down the nervous system. I love tapping. Emotional freedom techniques has been an amazing tool. It has shown in scientific experiments how it activates the parasympathetic response. It reduces cortisol in the body, and it's a very simple thing to do. So I'm going to guide you right now in a simple round of tapping. If you do this first thing in the morning, before you go to bed at night, and maybe even if you're feeling triggered during the day, this is going to train your brain into a parasympathetic response rather than an activated response, which means that it's going to be really easy to say no to certain foods or to stop when you're full. This will help you to heal your relationship with food. So tap along with me if you want to learn this simple technique. And you don't even have to have a strong setup statement. You just need to start tapping. And I like to start on the collarbone sometimes and take a deep breath in and let it go. I like to tap before I sit for meditation. Meditation is a wonderful way to regulate your nervous system, but sometimes the monkey mind is just too activated. This will calm it down, bring you back into your body. So just by tapping on your collarbone and taking a deep breath in and letting go, and tap the top of the head. And I like to say ease and flow, release and let go. And then you tap on the third eye, breathing in and letting go. On the eyebrow, ease and flow, release and let go. The side of the eye, breathing in and letting go. Ease and flow, release and let go. Breathing in and letting go. Ease and flow, release and let go. Breathing in and letting go. Under the arm, ease and flow, release and let go. And then I like to tap this part of the hand. It's between the pinky and the ring finger. It's called the gamut point. And this sends a signal to your whole nervous system that it can calm down, that you're safe in the moment. Sometimes just holding this point and massaging it, especially if you're in a stressful situation, will again remind your body that it's safe in the moment and it will calm it down. Take a breath in and let it go. Let's go through it again. Ease and flow, release and let go. If you can say those words out loud, wonderful. You're telling your body it's safe. You're telling your energy it can flow. Ease and flow, release and let go. When the energy is flowing, you're releasing the stress in your body. Ease and flow, release and let go. Under the eye, breathing in and letting go. Ease and flow, release and let go. Ease and flow, release and let go. Take a breath in and let it go. Under the arm, ease and flow, release and let go. And then holding that point, take another breath in and let it go. Doing that a few times a day will start to train your brain and your body into the relaxation response. I encourage you to do this. Not only will it enable you to be more mindful and aware of what you're eating and conscious, but it also allow you to be more mindful in all areas of your life. I have a whole YouTube channel with numerous videos that can help you to dive a little deeper. If you're interested, go ahead to my YouTube channel. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. As always, take good care of yourself. Bye now.